Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. Good Lord. Oh man, the market's great. My name is Joe. This is Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. We don't have all these crop circles and UFO landing sites on our chart. We have support, resistance, trend lines. That's all we have. That's all you need. And of course, if you want, you can have some indicators, but we only have the ones, in my opinion, that show momentum. We don't have 30, 40 indicators to tell us what already happened. I don't need a mirror to let me know that, hey, this is a pin. I don't need a mirror to show me that. I can just look at the pin. Hey, here's a pin. So that's what we do here. We keep trading simple. Now, speaking about simple, if you want a very simple way to follow what we're doing, and let's just say you don't have enough money to go into the VIP section of our platform, not a problem. There's a few different options you can do. One is get the stuff for free. Join us every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ask questions. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship. Ask questions on indicators. Ask questions on, why does this happen when this happens? Why is this used instead of this? Why is this preferred instead of this? Ask all those different questions. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. So definitely ask away. So there's one option. Then the next tier up, I'm very excited about this, guys. I'm very excited about this. This is something new to the channel. There is a join button, and once you click on the join button, we do have some different tiers. The first one is the supporter. If you want to do this and help support the channel, by all means, go for it. Here you will get different badges, and you will also get different emojis. One of them is one of my sayings: bingo bango, bingo bango. Here's one of them. Another one is Bitcoin, a really nice, cool looking Bitcoin. There's a moon embedded in it, but you probably can't see it because it's so small. And then, of course, we have my favorite, Pillow Talk. Thanks to my buddy John, my best friend. John, put you in my will. But I'm a poor trader, and I have no money. And the $14 is probably going to be for the making of the will. So I'll leave you with all my trades. How's that? I'll leave you with all my knowledge. That's way more valuable than $14. But we do have Pillow Talk, and I do have Pillow Talk. Guys, I cannot get away from this drama. So some more drama happened today, and we're gonna be doing Pillow Talk. And then whenever we do Pillow Talk, if you remember, well then of course you're gonna be doing the Pillow Talk emojis if you want. And then of course here is myself. Not that I'm vain or anything, but you can put me and then Pillow Talk, or me and then bingo bango. And then, of course, the more members that we have, the more emojis we can do. And it's just something cool. It's a supporter. Now, of course, if you're curious on the membership cost for the VIP, all you have to do is come to my page. Come over here, go to the more links. Go to, let's see here. Which one can we do? We can do this one, Linktree. Linktree has all my links. If you want to pay with crypto, message me on Telegram. If you want to pay with credit card or debit card, it's right here. So once you click on this, it'll show you the different prices. Oh, it's going to show you my stuff. I hate when that happens. But anyway, just give you a heads up. That's how you can do it. But let's say you don't have enough for that. It's okay. One, you can get it for free. Or two, you can do the join. And for the join, you can go for this one. It's the TI Family Believer. You can click on that, read what it does. Or the TI Warrior in Training and see what that does. But if you just want to be a Trade Intuition warrior, because that's what I do, I create warriors. If you put in the work, you will become a warrior. And this is what we do in the full version of the group. This is pretty much kind of like you're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice or hopes and dreams and empty promises. Check it out. See if you like it. But if anybody is in the VIP, the full-fledged VIP, Do not get any of this stuff, because this stuff's not going to help you. You already have the top tier. But if you want, you can do this one, the supporter. That we can do the emojis. All right, moving on. Let's get rid of all this junk. Oh, before I do that, should we do story time right now? No, we'll do Bitcoin and then story time. We'll do Bitcoin and then story time. Okay. So what are we doing? Hey, Grimmer. So Grimmer is from Germany. Grimmer left me a message earlier, I guess yesterday. And he says, Joe, can you check out this coin? Because, you know, I'm looking at it for a 3 to 5 month hold. And of course, I'm doing a bunch of stuff. I'm doing videos for the group. I'm doing updated videos for the thought process on Bitcoin and the coins that we're in for the group. And then as the prices are moving, you know, I'm also, you know, checking different charts to see all these alerts that are going off. And not only that, but just pretty busy. But there is a coin that, if you have not seen the video, I definitely recommend you watching it. This is one of my latest videos that I did, and I'm gonna start doing more of these videos, and more than likely asking for more suggestions on videos. Now, granted, it does take me a lot of time, because you have to do the research, you have to do the recording, then you have to do the editing. The editing just by itself is an hour, just by itself. But you come over here, and this is a special video for Grimmer. It's right here. I did it for you, buddy. So definitely check it out. And as always, you know, smash the like, leave a comment or two. It really does help support the channel. But this is PBR. And I believe in the video I say PRB. I always do that. I don't know why. But I've done that for years. PRB. No, it's PBR. But I did that for you, buddy. All right. Let's give you a heads up on that. But yeah, we got a lot of videos, guys. A lot of videos that are going to help you succeed in trading. I talk about breakout trading, momentum trading, the MACD, order blocks, histogram, winning strategies. You know, there's so many, man, like this in itself is so valuable. So valuable. Talk about the 3 key factors: volume, liquidity, order books. If you don't know this, man, nobody teaches this. But if you don't know this, man, you're going to get wrecked. And I got wrecked. So the mentors, they'll tell you, be careful, because it's a low market cap coin and you're going to move the market. But they don't tell you like how to avoid it or what to look for or any like tips and tricks. They just give you a very broad blanket statement, but they don't give you the specifics on how to do or not do what they're suggesting. For me, I give you the who, what, where, when, why. I'm very, very detailed orientated when it comes to just my teaching method. So hopefully y'all like that. But yeah, definitely, guys, check out all these videos. You will be surprised. And not only that, but check out the shorts as well. On the shorts, I have a lot of videos that go over a bunch of stuff. These are so funny. Sometimes I look so mad. I look surprised here. I'm like, oh, what? What's going on? This one, I look mad. This one, I'm yelling. I don't even know. These, I'm yelling. This one, I look like mad. These are just funny. But yes, definitely check out these videos. In these videos, these short videos, they give you tips and tricks in a very, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. And of course, on all those, please smash the like and all that fun stuff. Moving on. We're going to get to some story time in a little bit, guys. Story time in a little bit. All right. So first, let's go to, why can't I see something? 1 second. Oh, there it is. Thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. All right. Bitcoin. Let's see here. Grimmer says, yes, was great video. Thank you so much. With time difference and I have 4 small kids, hard to make the live streams. Hey man, I appreciate you greatly. Yeah, so anything like that, like most, so with me, I'm up, matter of fact, I was up all night, like I literally, the past several nights. And I have a lot of people in the group that are from different parts of the world. And sometimes it'll be like 2 in the morning. They're like, Joe, can you do a screen share? Yeah, man, give me a little bit. I gotta, finish up some charts or whatever. And we'll do live stream. So you literally have a 24-hour, almost a 24-hour mentor, if you're in the VIP, because I'm always in there. I'm always doing stuff. You know what was really sad? Oh, another story time. Let me write this down. VIP info. Okay. So hopefully I'll remember that for story time too. All right. So just to kind of give you a heads up, CryptoGuy says, I tell you, Joe is a wealth of knowledge, guys. Amazing mentor. Come join the group and be bull ready. Yes, bull run ready. Big time. And if you're curious on the group, well, I just mentioned that at the very beginning. Plus, we have the pinned message for the Patreon if you want to do monthly. And then, of course, if you want to do crypto, well, then send me a message on Telegram. But Joe, how do we do that? Well, there's several different ways. It's all in the description, though. My link tree. Okay, moving on. Let's get on with the show, guys. Let's get on the show. We're looking at Bitcoin. We've been talking about Bitcoin. We talked about this bear trap. We talked about this falling wedge. We talked about this other bear trap, how it came up. Then it came a bull trap, then a bear trap, then a bull trap. Then it's looking weak. It's looking so weak. We have a high, lower high, lower high. We mentioned that if it breaks this level of recent support, well, pretty good chance of opening some shorts. Then it would have to break this level to continue that thought process. What does it do? It comes down and it stops. Finds support. Breaks through its most recent level of resistance. Comes up. Then it was here, meeting resistance. And we're thinking, well, at least I was. And I let y'all know. Okay. It came up. Rejection. Right at the 61 level that we've been talking about. Rejection. The candles are getting smaller. It's not looking strong. It's not trying to fight. It's not trying to fight. And we mentioned again, you know, if it breaks this level again, nice area for shorts. If it breaks this area, definitely the shorts will look so good. And then if it breaks this area, even better. The shorts more than likely will take off. However, and one of the reasons that I don't post, like when I saw this, if I was in any other group, I'm pretty sure all the mentors that were there, or all the admins or whoever, are going to be posting shorts left and right. However, I was like, man, I got to wait and see, is it going to bounce? Because it could. And I believe I either said that in yesterday's live stream or in the screen share / video that I did for the group. I'm always updating the group as far as Bitcoin and the active trades that we're in, and also trades that we're looking at. And those videos are roughly about 8 minutes. So it's just kind of like an overall market type thing. And I believe I mentioned it either that video or in live stream yesterday that it could bounce. It could bounce really hard. So we just got to wait. Sure enough. So you always want to have a plan A and a plan B. You really do. If you only have a plan A, like, oh, rejection, it's going to break down, I'm going to enter shorts, you're going to lose more than you like to. Now, can you get lucky? Yeah, sure, of course, because nobody knows what's going to happen. But if you have a plan A, okay, well, this is what I'm thinking it might happen, but it can easily reverse like it did here, It could easily reverse. Sure enough, right now it's reversing. Now, the next level, all we're doing is going off of support, resistance, and each area that it flips or pivots or swings, all that means price action was going one way, it stopped, going another way. So this is resistance. When it's down here, this is support. So our next level, our immediate level of resistance is right here, right at 62. This is our next level, and it's coming right to it. Now the question is the price action going to do this, come up here, come down here, possibly do a higher low based off of this support, come back up, and then potentially, maybe one more time, then break through? If it does, I want to say moon mission, but not moon mission yet. We got to wait. We got to wait for moon mission, but get ready, guys. Get ready. Every day gets closer and closer. Every single day gets closer and closer. Right now, this would be considered, if this one happens and this one happens, this would be an ascending triangle. We have a flat base and higher lows. So all this is saying is that there's gaining momentum, gaining support. We got a level here. We got a higher low here, possible higher low here, possible higher low here. Eventually, your probability of it going up is very high. Could it go down? 100%. Why? Why? If this is this and this is this, why would it go low? Because we're trading against people. People are very unpredictable for the most part. Unless you're crazy, like that crazy X that Bitcoin always reminds me of. Unless you're crazy, well, then you're going to stay crazy. So for all you crazy people out there, hey, it's okay. All right, moving on. Okay, see here. Let's go and see the chats. Oh man, today it was raining so hard, like big raindrops. Big raindrops. It was crazy. Let's see here. Crypto 420 says, let's go, guys. Let's go. And thank you guys for smashing the likes. We got Jono in the house. Jono, love you, man. Appreciate you for everything you do. There's so many people that show so much support. Jono is one of those. Jono is always helping out, always smashing the like, always leaving comments, every single platform I have. So special thank you to Jono. And I have so many others. I have so many others that do the same. But Jono just non-stop, man. And I appreciate it because everybody who helps the channel, you're helping somebody else not get bamboozled by all these other groups that don't care about them. They just care about the membership. Hey, pay me. But for me, like I said, if you don't have money, don't worry, I got you. Watch this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Watch or ask questions. Like, this is your free hour mentorship. You don't have to pay me $100 an hour or join the group so that you could learn stuff. You don't have to do that. Like, I show you everything here. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Can we look at KAS? Yes. Oh my gosh, man. We're in this one. And matter of fact, I just posted this one on Twitter, on the Twitter space. Let's come over here to Twitter. So this one, let's go to profile. For Twitter, let's see here. Posted this one 5 days ago in the group and up 24% so far. So far. Now I got some drama, guys. I got some drama. I'm gonna tell you the drama in a little bit. These people are so funny. And then they gotta get mad. I think they do think I get mad. I don't even care. Like, I really don't. Like, to me, it's like, why waste your energy on that? And I'll tell you what I'm talking about in just a moment, right after these messages. No. Yes, but we will definitely look at KAS, and I'm gonna write that down in case I forget. KAS. KAS. Oh, we got Nader in the house. What's up, Nader? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Thank you for everybody smashing the likes and sharing out the channel. It really does help. We got Grant. Hey, Grant. How you been, man? Let's see here. We got Pita in the house. Pita. Appreciate you. See here. Yes, Scrimmer. We're gonna get to CTI in just a moment. We got Mr. Ian in the house. Man, we got the whole family, guys. We got the whole family. Let's see here. Crypto Candy is here as well. Crypto Candy. Another one that just nothing but love, guys. Nothing but love. Love, support, man. It's great. All right. Yeah, so Crypto Candy says, get your pillow ready. Get your pillow ready. I got some stuff, guys. It's so funny. Hopefully you find it funny. If not, it's okay. And so let's get started. Let us get started. So right now, let's look at first one is KAS. Let's go to YouTube so that you don't see our official setup. And we got another alert going off. Is this an alert for a stop loss? Some coins, when Bitcoin goes up, some coins go down. We got Ray, we got Pepe stop loss, and we had another. Okay, so let's come over here and let's look at KAS USDT. And this one is a MEXC. Okay, so we're looking at this one. Now we have to look and see, okay, what to do. Well, we gave out this call a few days ago, I'm guessing, where we said, have your alert right here. Have your alert right here. The 4-hour candle must close above this level. And sure enough, so one thing I'm going to do here, guys, on this channel is I'm going to make you money. Now, granted, none of the information I provide is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Now, with that being said, can you make money watching my show? Yes, 100%. Can you learn without joining the VIP? Yes, 100%. Joe, why would you tell people that they can learn without joining the VIP? Because for me, it's not about getting rich from the group. Like, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. So I give you all the information you need in this channel, on this channel, for free. Now, if you want, of course, more thought process, you want updates, you want, you know, man, we do screen shares. We do a lot of stuff that other groups don't do. And I keep you informed. I keep you informed with what's going on. The main thing, I think, for me personally, is the thought process videos. I don't say buy the breakout. And a monkey could say that. You can get a dartboard with coins and just throw darts and then go, this coin, okay, buy the breakout. This coin, okay, buy the breakout. Anybody can do that. So what I do is I do all the waiting for you. I show you how to do all this stuff. But in the VIP, I do all the waiting for you, and I post when they're ready. Now, do they move all the time? No, especially right now because there's so much chop. But normally, when I post, boom, within a few hours, sometimes there's been a few times where it's been a few minutes, but usually within a few hours, they're moving. You're making money. Now, granted, is that an empty dream or promise? No, because like I said, so one thing with me, I'm very transparent. I just mentioned, you know, right now, it's just chop. So sometimes I'll post it. Some will take off, some won't. You just got to wait for it to, you know, get more momentum. But here for KAS, what was I saying? Oh yeah, in reference to the group, what you could do is just watch these videos. Ask me questions. Like, I truly do want to help you. I truly do. All these other mentors, they say they want to help you change your life, et cetera, but you got to pay them because they're not going to help you unless you pay them. You have to pay these millionaires so that you could hopefully get a chance at making some money. It's sad. It really is. Back to KASPA. All right. So KASPA, this was our thought process. We said we need to have our alert right here. The 4-hour candle must close. So where do we have this? We had this right here. So the 4-hour candle must close above this level of 0.180663. What happened? Well, let's see here. Where would I have entered? Here we have resistance, breaking through. So now what I do is I have to look at the other candles. Is this a little sliver of a candle compared to the other candles? Or is this about average? So that's the first thing I do is I look back here, large candle, very large candle. Okay, small, okay, so small, okay. So the size of this candle is actually a little bit larger than some of the average size of the other candles. But just for argument's sake, I won't enter. Joe, you're only saying that because it went up. No. Let's say I don't enter. I want to wait one more candle just in case. Just in case it comes down. Maybe it's going to be a wick like this on a higher time frame. So I'll wait one more candle. That's right, 4 hours. I will wait. Candle closes above this level, and it has a nice wick showing buying pressure. Now I enter. Joe, don't you see what just happened? It went down. Whenever I show when I would enter or when I would exit, I don't base it off of the current information that I know. I base it off of the information that I would have had at that moment. So at that moment, I would have had this information. And then I would have, let's go back one level. There we go. I would have had this information. So you never want to cheat yourself. You never want to say, oh yeah, I would have entered here because of, there's divergence, or there's the volume, or let me look at the RSI. Nope. Let me go to a different time frame. Nope. Let me go to a different time frame. Yep. Okay. Yes, this is why I would enter. You do that, you're tricking yourself, and you will lose. You will lose more than you're going to win. Now here, what I do is based off of my teaching. I'd enter right now because buying pressure, it's 2 candles above this level that's showing support, and then it comes down. But found support here. Yeah, I would think that it would find support right here, but it came down, found support, came up again, and then lost it. And then up again and again. And here is our alert. We're not even looking at it. We don't know what's going on in the market. We're out, at the beach, we're at the movies, we're getting dinner, we're, having friends and family over, whatever the case is, we're not looking at it. Our alert goes off. This is our alert. Let's just go ahead and put this as our alert. This is what the alert would have been. Our alert goes off. We go and we look at it. Now, at this point, all we see is this. So based off of this, what we see, we can see, okay, here we have a bottom. Here we have a higher low. And then it's tending to continue and gaining momentum. Okay. Came up here, rejection. Okay, so this would tell us we have a pretty high possibility, if it doesn't break up, pretty high possibility that it's going to come down to about here and then maybe here before it breaks up. Then we could enter here or just play it very safe and wait for the break of this level, have our alert again right here. Now, this is what could happen because of this nice run up, but it didn't. It came here, broke through, and now we're seeing this. We're seeing this. And we're seeing it fight. It wants to break above this resistance. It's trying very hard. It breaks above, it couldn't do it. It kind of backs up a little bit and runs out the door again, trying to break down that door, break down that wall, and finally it does. Then it broke this level. Perfect time to enter. Once this kind of closed, perfect time to enter. Now, we didn't see it until this alert went off. So now that the alert went off, sure, I entered. I would enter right now. Now, granted, let's go ahead and clear this off. Once again, Joe, you entered and it came down. Is your stuff even successful? Yes, very successful. Support, resistance. Price is going to come down. Price will go up. Price will go down when people take profit. They're doing what you want to do. Price will go up when people are buying at a low. They're buying at a discount price. That's the name of the game. Buy at discount, sell when you want, or at least, in profits. Now for this, we would have entered right here and then it came down. But guess what? Bouncing off of this support. Buying pressure. Right now there's FOMO. There is FOMO in the market. Why is there FOMO in the market? Well, let's look at this. Let's hide all this stuff. All-time high. We're going to see a lot of this, guys. Get ready. Oh, man, I'm so excited. Get ready. It's going to get crazy. It's going to get insane. We're going to be seeing, breaks of all-time highs. These new coins that are coming out. It's just going to get crazy. And then, hopefully, man, I would love my VRA. We were talking about that in the group earlier today. I would love my VRA to break its all-time high. Still staking it. We'll see what happens. Nobody knows. Not only that, but Bitcoin broke all-time high a few months ago. All these other coins will break an all-time high. So what I want to show you in next bull run, this current bull run where we're going to have insane, massive gains, breaking all-time highs and everything. Next bull run, all those huge profits and coming down retraces is going to look like this compared to that current bull run. And that's what happens every single bull run. We have more price action and now it's going to be way up here, which this is going to get super tiny. It's going to start looking like this. And then a few more months, it'll start looking like this, or years, it'll start looking like this. Right now, we're in the best place, guys. We're in the best place. We're in crypto. We're in the only thing that can change your life besides playing the lottery or getting an inheritance. This is the only thing. And I'm so happy that I'm here to share the journey with you. Very happy with that. Okay. So with that being said, Joe, just give me the targets and the stop loss. Okay, With that being said, targets remain the same. Stop loss remains the same because our entry is right here. So this is what the this is your setup. Let's see here. CTI. Okay, so next is for Mr. Grimmer. We do have CTI next. So let's go to CTI. I'll leave that one there. I might post that one for the Twitter space. Okay. Let's see here. Moving on. Oh man, this thing takes forever. Here we go. So let's do CTI. I'm not familiar with this one. And let's do KuCoin. Okay. So Mr. Grimmer says CTI is for long-term hold, as in the bull run. Okay, nice. So, and that's really important to have for me to know, especially since I'm doing these setups, for me to know your thought process. Is this just a regular trade? Because that's what I assume on all these are just regular trades. Now, the best and most profitable mindset is to have the investor mindset. Because right now we're at the very, very beginning. If you have any money, $50, $20, $10, $100, whatever, put them in these coins. Sit on them. Every paycheck you get, $10 on this one, $20 on this one, $50 on this one, whatever you can. You will make life-changing money by just putting it in there and holding it. If it goes up 80, 120, whatever, leave it in there. Just add to it on the retraces. Oh, my nose itches. Okay, so we're looking at this as a long-term hold. And let's look at the weekly. So since we have a long-term hold thought process, well, we can go to a larger time frame so we can get larger moves. So let's go and put our magnet tool on. The magnet tool is extremely important. We have quite a few levels here. We have a level here. We have a level here. And we have a very flat level here. Right there. Okay. So these are the 3 levels that it may go to. So in my opinion, let's just say I had $1,000. No, let's say I had $100. And on this paycheck, I want to get into this coin. I want to long-term hold it. What could I do? I have $100. Well, what I would do, again, not financial advice, what I would do is I would do $50 right now. This is an investment, because you never know when it could shoot up. By the time you see it, it could have shot up 40, 50%, easy, depending on the market cap. 40, 50%, you're like, oh man, it's moving. Let me get into it. And then it dumps. Like, crap. I just lost 85% like in a day. Or what you could do, enter some now, 50%, just in case it goes up. Well, then you're already in the coin. You wait for a retrace, and then maybe now it's starting to move, and then you can add to it again. What I would also do is I would put a lower bid or an entry that hasn't hit yet. I would do a lower one, I'd say right here, right around. Let's go ahead and put this as a lower entry. Do I want to do that? Why is that? Oh, I was like, why is that not showing it? Well, this is just for y'all. So this is the lower entry area, and I'll go ahead and put this so you can see it nice and big. Copy. And then put this. This will be my lower entry right there. Nice and big so you can see it. Now, let's say 2 weeks go by. I get paid again, or next month, or next week, however you get paid. And you're like, okay, well, man, this one went down. This one went down 30%. Good Lord. This one went down 30%. You're like, crap. Wrong mindset. Mindset you should have is, man, this one went down 30%. My lower entry hit. Man, I got more coins at a very, very nice discount price. and it's losing support here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do based off of this, what I'm going to go ahead and do is now I'm going to put $100. I'm going to put $100 right down here. I'm going to put $100 down here. That way, hopefully it hits. Man, if it hits, this is going to be great. That's the thought process you need. If it hits, it's going to be great. Then you go ahead and you do your lower entry here. And then now, guess what? Maybe a month or two has gone by. The market's starting to turn. Everything's getting super crazy bullish. This, project, it starts releasing news. It updates its website. It updates its roadmap. It starts doing advertisements. The Twitter space starts blowing up. They start doing work. Then, guess what? You entered here, you entered here, and you entered here. Now, because you entered here and here, let's say you're at this was 30%, so now you're at, if you put in let's just say the same amount, 50 and 50, you'd be down about 15, 18%. But when it came down even further, because you put more money, now let's say you're down about 10%. So as soon as the price starts coming up, boom, you're in profit. You're in profit. Instead of having to wait all this time for it to break even, because you were adding more as it was coming down, as soon as it starts coming up, profit city. Population, you. Why? Because you watch this channel. You watch this channel. And now you're going to make money. Granted, none of this is financial advice. I have to say that several times. None of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. But this is how life-changing money is made. Then, when it does go up, let's say from here, let's say when it does go up 200%, do you sell? No. Why not? You're up 200%. Did a 2x, 2.5x? No. You wait for the price action to retrace, because it will, and then it starts coming up, and then let's say you enter here with the break of this level. Now you have from here coming up, you have, let's say it comes up to this level, and this one comes up to this level. Now for each entry, on your first entry, you have 800% on your initial investment. On your second entry, because you're not selling, you want to hold these coins, like all of this, 30%, all of this 30% retrace, 45% retrace, 80% retrace, 25% retrace, 35% retrace. All this is work. Now, can you make money doing this? Yes, definitely. I made so much money in the last bull run just doing this. This bull run, life-changing money. The first bull run, you make mistakes. The second bull run, you learn from your mistakes. You learn from your mistakes, hopefully, and you implement changes. Then the third bull run, you already got it down packed. You know what to do, how to do it. You know what to expect. You know how to deal with all the emotions, especially with greed. Greed, fear, envy is a huge one. Man, this group over here is making all these gains. This guy over here is making all these gains. My buddy's making all these gains. And now you're envious and jealousy comes into play. And then now because you're trading based off of emotions and you want to replicate what they're doing, you're going to start trading trades that you shouldn't be. And because of that, now let's say you're losing money. You didn't have you did not have a well thought out plan. So now, trading with emotions, you panic sell. And now you start losing. When everybody else is winning, you're losing. Now, keep in mind, all these other groups, they're going to be posting all these crazy results. And I'm seeing it right now on Twitter. I'm seeing Twitter people posting big time, but they don't post what they did. They just, like how they got there, they just post the final result. But that final result can easily be skewed, can easily be manipulated, very easily. So just gave you a heads up. All right, so that's my thought process on CTI. All right, so who wants to hear pillow talk? I do. So if you want to hear Pillow Talk, put a 1 in the chat. If you're in the replay, put the #1. But it's story time, or not story time, it's Pillow Talk time. Pillow Talk time. Here we go. Pillow Talk, 3, 2, and 1. Cue the music.
Pillow Talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl.
Spilling all the secrets. Spilling all the secrets. Oh, not that one. This one. Okay. So let's see here. So there was a post. And I want to show this to you. I should have had it ready. But right now we're just kind of kicking back. We're kicking back unless y'all have another one to do. Just kind of kicking back. So let's see here. Okay. So this person, let's see if I can bring it up. Okay. So this person, Magic Internet Money. I guess I know him. I don't know. Magic Internet Money. It sounds very familiar. Do I know this guy? I don't know. Magic Internet Money. Sounds very familiar. But anyway, he put out this, all the circles and everything like that, right? So he put this out there, and my buddy put out yummy crop circles. I thought it was funny. So I respond with, if you put enough lines, circles on a chart, price action will find support resistance at some point. And I'm laughing. So this is, oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. Well, let me just show you real quick. This is what I'm showing. So this is what I'm showing. So this guy, Magic Internet Money, he posted these charts with the circles. And my friend put yummy crop circles. So, it's funny. It's a joke, haha. And then here I put, if you put enough lines or circles on a chart, the price action will find support resistance at some point. And I'm laughing. It's a joke. It's fun and games. It's laughing, right? I'm not talking trash or nothing, right? Or so I thought. Let's see here. Go back to this. Then, let's see here. Then this guy says, is it? Oh man, I just lost it. Come on. Be more professional, Joe. Okay, so then this guy replies with this. Hopefully y'all can see that. I won't repeat it. He repeats with that. And my reply to him is, so many people are so angry these days. Life is much easier, I meant to say when you don't care about what other people think. If you're making money with all your lines and circles, then I'm happy for you. Try to help others make money by showing them your technique. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't think that was rude or offensive or anything like that. And then he puts, not angry, man. I put out what I receive. Try learning to approach people with manners. How did I, so that just confused me. Like, I wasn't rude. Unless you're a feminine dude. This dude looks very muscular. Like, I don't understand. Like, this guy could easily beat me up with his, I don't know, pinky. Like, and I'm not trying to be a keyboard warrior or anything. And try learning to approach people with manners. You want respect. You had it until you lost it. So I guess he knows me. Good luck with your journey. And then I said, all I stated was the facts. If you put enough lines and circles, the price action will find support resistance on them. How is that not a fact? Nothing to get mad about. I would love to learn how to do what others do, but most just brag about what they did without showing how, before you get your feelings involved, without showing how. And then, of course, he might be sensitive. He might be one of those big muscle sensitive guys. I don't know. And this is not a fight. If he's watching, this is not a fight, because I can't fight. Before you get your feelings involved, I'm speaking in general. That's what I put. And then what else did he put? He put something else. Let's see here. So now he's doing like a cheap shot. So I guess he knows me from the other group. He goes, so this to me is funny because like he's kind of saying what I told him, but in a different way. So if I say, hey, you know, this and this, it's like, oh yeah, well, you, this and this. He goes, if you put enough big arrows and say this much profit so far, you will sell premium Telegram subscription just like your mentor. I was like, ooh, nice. So of course I liked it. And then I replied with laughing. But he makes a point. He makes a point. But I show you the difference between me and the post that I was replying to was I show you how to do what I do. I don't just post my stuff. I show you on YouTube. I show you in the group. So pretty funny. Let's see here. But yeah, so I guess I know this dude. Magic Internet Money sounds very familiar. Maybe it's from the live streams. I don't know. But whatever. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. See, Tug says, on a late lunch break, but always popping in and smash like when I can. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Any other coins, guys? Any other coins? Oh, another story time. Oh, here we go. Wait for it. All right. So story time. So I was watching a YouTuber who is a millionaire who doesn't give anything out for free. This is how petty this dude is, and this is how all of them are, because money doesn't change people. Money reveals them. Money reveals them. So today, on today's live stream, I happened to catch it. Today's live stream, yeah, Crypto Candy, it's Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk. So on today's live stream, he was mentioning about Caspa and the KRC20 tokens and minting tokens, etc., etc. And he had to go to like a certain website to do this stuff. And of course, he's got a lot of people in his chat, and they're like, hey, you know, how do I do this? You know, I've been looking at doing this, like how to do this. I'm very interested in doing this. And he said verbatim, I posted this link in the VIP. If you want the link, join the VIP. And then he made a joke about it. He goes, you see what I just did? And he did not give out the link. Now, granted, I only watched it for like 45 minutes. And then he went to like go on and do other things. So I don't know if he eventually gave out that link, if he was just playing. It didn't sound like it. And it sure heck didn't look like it. He is a millionaire. Recently bought a house. Recently bought another vehicle. Dude has money. And all this subscriber or person who's watching his content actually, you know, making him money with YouTube. All he asked, and there was a few of them that asked for that link so they can also do what he's doing. And he had the nerve to say, I posted the link in the group. If you want the link, you got to join the group. Wow. Dude's a millionaire. Will you find that here on this channel? Nope. I show you everything I know. I show you all the tips, all the tricks. When there's different variables that pop up, I'll explain that very thoroughly. My goal, once again, I keep on saying this, but it's so true. And if you don't believe me, watch. My goal is to make money with you, not because of you. And there are so many people out there that are already well off. Millionaires buying things left and right, big ticket items. And they won't give you a link. A free link, they won't give that to you because they want more money. They want more members. They don't care about you guys. So this is why it's super important whenever you support the channel, whether it's through the new memberships that I just got put on there, you know, the first one's $2.99 for the emojis, or whether it's for liking the videos, sharing the videos, commenting on the videos. Everything, every step that you do helps promote the channel, helps promote people, or rather helps to reduce the likelihood of people getting bamboozled by, oh man, I'm heated. I'm so heated because it gets me so sick, guys. The viewers are in the need to learn. They want to make this life-changing money. They see all the cars and the jets and the women and the boats. They see all this. They want that, or even just a happy home, you know, to where they don't have to worry about their kids going to a certain college because they can pay for it. They don't have to worry about food on their table. They don't have to worry about food on their table, guys. They are looking for a way out. And these guys who have already made it want more money, more money, more money. Sad. It really is. Tell people about this channel. Like I have a passion to help everybody I can. Do I have a paid group? Yes, 100%. Do you need to do the paid group? No, you don't. Would I like it? Yes, of course. Because then, shoot, I can pay my light. I can pay, well, I have a little bit of money, but still, you know what I mean. You know, I can get a steak dinner instead of eating ramen. Ramen's good though. I'm not gonna lie. Especially when you have egg in there. I need to get some faux soup. I've been wanting that for a few months now. Anyway, Joe, focus. My passion is to help others. Always has been. Whether it's when I was a nurse, whether when I was in pest control, man. And I've told this story before too. I know I'm kind of getting off track, but just to kind of let you know who I am, because obviously I'm making people upset on Twitter. Do I care? Not really. It's funny to me. It's funny how people let words hurt. Maybe I'm just built different. I don't care. John called me a female with pillows doing pillow talk. Do I care about that? No. What did I do? Look around this. I have pillow talk as my theme. I don't care. Try to make fun of me. Try. I'll get what you did and I'll turn it to a positive, because that's who I am. You can't hurt me. Nobody can hurt me. Nobody can hurt me. You can try. John did. And guess what? I love that. Dude, do you know what I was doing before I turned on the stream? I was listening to that song that I have in the outro. I was listening to that song multiple times. I love the jam. It's great beat, very funny. Put me down like hardcore. I don't know how to trade. I'm a poopy trader. Pillow talk. I live in a basement. Just face it. I mean, I love it. I absolutely love that song. I got it on my ringtone. I have it on my ringtone. Try to hurt me. You can't. Because what I have in here and what I have in here is way more than what they have by a lot. And these people who get offended by words like this other guy, this money guy or whoever he was, I already forgot his name. He got offended because I'm kind of cracking a joke. Yeah, you put enough lines and circles, you're gonna find support. And then he gets real, like, literally, he got very emotional. He might need to take another shot. I don't know, but he got very emotional. Yes, that was a low blow. Sorry, but I'm just saying that was very, very feminine. Very. Now, would I say this in front of him? No, definitely not. Why? This dude is huge. Are you kidding me? Man, he stopped me in the ground. So just kind of let you know, though. Okay, I would say it because I can probably get money out of it. We'll see. We'll see if he's crypto rich, because I just live in a basement. All right, moving on. Hey, we got a first one. We got Nader. What's up, Nader? Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you greatly. Nader is the first one to do supporter. Appreciate you so much. Let's see here. Crypto Candy says, thorough, concise, precise info with the least amount of gibberish. Well said. Well said. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. Like I said, I absolutely love what I do. I love the fact that I've been granted the, how do I say this? I love the fact that I've been granted the ability to teach, because there are a lot of smart people out there, way smarter than me, a million times over. This money guy may be smarter than me. John may be smarter than me. All these other guys may be smarter than me, but can they teach it? That's where the difference lies. Can they teach it? Me, I can teach. I just need to learn it. I can teach it. In order for me to teach it, I have to fully understand it. And if I don't fully understand it, well, I'm working on my way to fully understand it. I'm learning as I go. I'm teaching as I go. It's helping me with retention on what works, what doesn't work. So just give you a heads up. All right. Let's see here. Any comments, questions, concerns, issues? If not, this will conclude the show. Well, let's go back to the main one. But this was your pillow talk because I got secrets.
Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl.
Spilling all my secrets. Spilling all my secrets. All right. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? We're going to put the timer on. The timer is set for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see here. Bitcoin, what's it doing? It's still right at this level. 62. 62. All right. Good stuff. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Let's see here. I don't think there's anything else. Now, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance needs to go down. Bitcoin needs to go up, and Bitcoin dominance needs to go down. So right now, this is on the 12-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. You can see Bitcoin dominance right now is currently going down. Bitcoin is currently going up. So this is good for the alts. This is very good for the alts. Now, granted, this is on the smaller time frame. In order for you to get a clearer picture, well, then you need to have this on the daily or larger time frame. So here you can still see on the daily, it's up. Now this, I strongly recommend, if you haven't already, do a screenshot of this. This explains the correlation between Bitcoin dominance, and the season. The way I remember this, very easy, is just Bitcoin goes up, good for alts. Bitcoin goes down, not good for alts. That's the easiest way to remember it. And then when dominance goes down, that's the dominance, that's like the pie. If dominance gets reduced, that only means that, well, alts are increasing, which cause the dominance of Bitcoin to decrease. And if Bitcoin is going up and the dominance is going down, that means the alts are kicking butt. And that's when it's alt season. Let's see here. Nader says, why there's not even a peep about Bong from its creators? I think what people are doing right now is just accumulating, keeping it quiet, accumulating. Once the hype starts going back up, whether it's on meme coins or just coins in general, I have a very, very strong probability that they will start talking about Bong. They'll start posting about Bong. They'll start, releasing information, updating their website, anything to get that one up and running. That one, or Bonk. I do think that Bonk will do very well. All right, guys. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you for smashing the like. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until then, I have to look down for the awkward looking down. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Uh-oh. Not again. Quit YouTube.
Still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop. Maybe quit YouTube. Pillow talking, spilling all your secrets. Sounding like a little girl, pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich. Probably let it. Listen, basement, just face it. You a shade trader, just face it. You a shade trader, just face it. You a shade trader, just face it.
All right, guys, that's all I got. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.